having a baby boy. By the way, I just filmed my first pregnancy vlog, so if you want to watch it, I will link it over here in your screen, and of course I will put it in the description box. Let's go and talk about the gender of our baby. We found out the baby's gender around 20 weeks, so that makes me 5 months pregnant. We went into this ultrasound appointment thinking we were 100% sure that we're having a baby girl. You know, when 90% of people around you says you're having a girl, and then subconsciously you kind of like prepare like yourself of having a baby girl. That's what happened to us. After taking all of those comments and feedbacks that I look like I'm having a baby girl, we thought of a lot of things, like situational things, scenarios where we have this baby girl with us, activities that we will do with her. I remember my husband saying that if it's a girl, then I don't have to worry about the genetics of the baby. I didn't have a clue that it's going to be a boy. When the technician finally told us that we're having a boy, we were both shocked. The technician was supposed to measure everything. It's not just about the gender of the baby. The technician needs to measure my placenta, my lining. She has to check it, and she has to measure all of it, making sure that everything looks good before she examines the baby and the gender. I don't want to know the gender of the baby yet. I wanted it to be a surprise, but my husband also wants to delay the surprise, the gender reveal, and then just do it around Mother's Day. But it didn't happen that way, because when the technician began the ultrasound, I can clearly see what's on that screen. It's just more pronounced when it's a boy, because obviously you can see the, the organ. That's what I saw. It automatically showed up in the screen. And also, by the way, before you go to your ultrasound, make sure you drink orange juice, because for this appointment it took me like an hour and a half to get everything done, because the baby is just not moving and he was just so calm. He was active after my technician made me drink orange juice. We stopped in the middle of the ultrasound. She made me drink orange juice, and then it's early in the morning, so I decided to grab donuts, and it just made this baby active. At the middle part of the whole thing, our technician told us that congratulations, having a baby boy. I wanted to record the whole thing. I did the ultrasound at Navy Hospital in Balboa. We weren't allowed to take a picture or a video of the whole thing, which is so sad. Like, every parents, not just first-time mothers or parents or whatever, they deserve to have that moment, My husband is both worried and intimidated to have a boy, because in their family, especially on his dad's side, or the men, tends to develop a specific cancer. So yeah, that's the number one reason why he is intimidated and also worried to have a boy. He doesn't want the kid to have that kind of genetics, and it runs in their family. So that is the main reason why he's scared to have a baby boy. Number two is he's more of a disciplinarian when it comes to boys. It's his first time, and maybe he was just assuming that he's going to be very strict when it comes to boys, because when it comes to his nephews, he is more of a disciplined uncle. Those were his reasons. I don't have a specific name for our baby boy yet, but I am actively looking. But yeah, overall, we're just happy to have a baby boy. Few weeks ago, I caught my husband watching a video on Facebook about a son and a dad relationship, I guess. I don't know the exact title of the video, but when I saw him watching those videos, it just melts my heart. Oh my god, this is it. My first child is going to be a boy, and my husband is slowly trying his best not to worry so much. But I guess you can't help it if you are first-time parents, or even if it's your 5th child. As a parent, you tend to worry about raising children or raising a child. I think that's just normal, but we're both happy, we're over the moon about it, we're excited, and we're nervous. My due date is on September 25th, and we just can't wait to have him in our arms, to finally see him, to kiss his little cheeks and experience the first bath, you know, the changing of the diaper, the long nights. We're actually looking forward to experiencing all of those. I wanted to show you the baby, our baby boy right here. As you can see, you can clearly see his head, his spine, and this tiny little thing right here. Is it tiny or not? But yeah, it says it's a boy. There's no denying I'm having a boy. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Before I get super emotional, I will close this video, and as always, I want to thank you guys for watching and for being with me. Thank you so much. I will see you on my next one. Bye.